All right, guys. It's Monday morning. Oh, up here in Maine, it's about 67 degrees out. Gonna be nice, warm 80. This is my project's been kicking my butt. And the camera's not doing any justice, but I gotta talk to you guys. Maybe some of you can help me out. All right. Don't laugh at me. I don't do too bad with a guy with metal arms and legs here. This is what I tried to do, and the rivets are kicking my butt. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to, well, I'm gonna have to use some screws. I'll clean it out and make it nicer. Trying to do the rivets. I had to travel 2 hours to the big city to get me some rivets, and it's just not working. I'm getting my ass handed to me. Sorry, I just am. So what we got is dual battery. Got my light switch. Gonna have my hazards. Gonna have my horn. Gonna have my winch and light bar. This circle here, I'm gonna put in a filler. I have no room for it, but this is the closest plate I could get. I love it. This is a 17 Honda 700 Tech 2. Now I'm also going to show you what I did. This is my case for my dual battery. And before you say why'd you put it in your dump bed, because I need to be able to get at it. I got metal plates in my back, and my legs are made of titanium wrapped into skin. So bending down and lowering isn't my thing. And I use my ATVs as tools, and I run it around, plus my kids and stuff. And also what I do is I go on long 5-day journeys on my ATV in the woods of Maine. And I also pull, which I made as a wagon. This is actually my ATV wagon. It's less than 4 feet wide. And it's about just under 8 feet long. And I pull it with my ATV. I load all my camp supplies, etc. I've rebuilt it a couple times. It's got the wagon so I don't have to worry about picking it up. I just carry it and pull it and push it. And I live in Maine here, so you're gonna have to bear with me. That's my workhorse right there, my other Honda. And I use my stuff for tools. You can probably see my mower in the background. That's my ATV there. This is it. I got it stuck into the doors of my basement because I'm going in and out of my little workshop there to try to make this happen. So I see a lot of you guys posting things, and this is my video. This is my simple thing here. Sorry about my voice. It's typical squeaky voice, I guess. But this is my ATV. This is my tool. Not in the sense of enjoyment. It's my tool, and I'll soup it up. I'll put some stuff in there. I've had it for a couple years now, 2 years now. I really enjoy it. I'm not looking for anybody to give me a hard time. I'm just showing you what I do. These are my wires, etc. I'm going to tighten those up, make them look pretty. I'm going to use an elastic like binder so that it pulls with a spring. So if I have to lift a gate. But I generally don't use this gate for dumping. That's why I built wagons, etc. And I pull carts, because using this right here means I have to put it in. I have to put it in here. And that considers strength with the plates in my back and my leg and my right arm, which means I have to put things in here. So that means I have to lift to take it out. So put yourself in a handicap mode and think what I'm talking about. That's why my carts, and I have several of them doing different things. That's my camping cart that are low to the ground. That way I'm not lifting, pushing, and pulling. Don't mind me. I'm a retired Marine. I carried a gun for a living, not a pair of pliers and an electrical thing. So God bless you guys. Have a good day. No, all this stuff I bought was mostly from your site, the TurnPRo, the TrueAM, etc., etc. Have a beautiful day, guys.